Hi guys, today is July 4th. So happy 4th of July, happy Independence Day to USA. I'm not out celebrating or anything. I'm not out watching fireworks. I am in my kitchen and it's about 7 p.m. and I just got back from work. So, isn't that exciting? I'm probably gonna put these 3 days all together. So I did July 1st, and then you didn't have a vlog 2nd or 3rd. It's because I didn't really vlog much, and then today, this is my first time picking up the camera. So you're gonna have the 2nd, the 3rd, and the 4th all together. But yeah, that's kind of the update. Not much has been going on. Been at work all day. I'm not celebrating with anybody. I'm not celebrating my sister's birthday. I'm not celebrating 4th of July with anybody. Just home alone. My boyfriend's at work. My parents, my sister, and everybody else is at my mom's house. And I did not want to go after work because by the time I got to where my mom lives, it would have been another 30-40 minutes till I got there. So 7:30, 8 p.m. and then it would have been time for everybody to pretty much leave. So it would have been pointless. Plus I have work again tomorrow. So these next couple of days is probably gonna be pretty boring because I don't have much going on except work. work. I'm hungry. I need to eat something before I pass out. All right, guys, I'll catch up with you guys in a little bit. Enjoy the vlog. Hello, everybody. Today is July 2nd, and it's 7 p.m. and I haven't vlogged almost at all. Well, actually, I haven't vlogged at all today, and I still haven't even uploaded my other vlog from yesterday. So that vlog is gonna be late. Just prop you up here so I can get some water. Yeah, that vlog is gonna be a little bit late. Today I had work super early in the morning. Today I had work at 9 a.m. so kind of went to bed way too late, and still didn't even finish editing my videos, so that served nothing. But right now I am back home from work. I had to stay a little bit later. So much fun. I was starving, so of course I had to have a croissant because I'm just obsessed with croissants. It's like a little chocolate croissant. And now I'm having a few of these. I'm having this little Balanced Breaks natural white cheddar cheese, sea salt, roasted almonds, and dried cranberries until I can make some dinner. My boyfriend is currently not home. So I'm all alone trying to fend for myself, and I'm off tomorrow. Whoop whoop. So 4th of July is coming up. Tomorrow me and my boyfriend are going to my mom's house. We might go see fireworks. If not, we're probably just gonna chill, but that's kind of the plan for tomorrow because I am off of work. And then I work from Thursday, which is the actual 4th of July, and my sister's birthday, which I won't be able to hang out with her because I'll be at work. But yeah, I'll be working from Thursday till, I think my next day off won't be till next Tuesday. Loving that. So I gotta enjoy tomorrow, you know, till next week. Other than that, I'm honestly not, look at all that laundry. I'm gonna put up all that laundry. There's just so much stuff that I need to do around the house. Oh, let me show you the croissants that I was talking about. So these are from Whole Foods and they are delicious. They're little tiny mini croissants and they have chocolate in them. And I'm just kind of addicted a little bit. So bad for you, but so good. It's like, oh, I'm trying to be on a diet. Not gonna happen with those croissants. time, I cleaned this little monster. Hi. Hi, sweetie. She's just enjoying her hay. She just had her veggies. Oh, it's for
Thank you. Nice.
You're welcome.
making a.
So now you can make your own Moscow Mule.
I know,
Moscow.
I have to.
You're gonna have to invite your friends over, baby. Okay, Mom, what you making over here? Besides the pizza and all these
We
things.
have all these things going on
What is this? Wait, what is this for?
for us.
You're adding watermelon and what is that?
Watermelon and
What is that?
lime juice.
This is lime juice?
Yes, for cocktails.
Oh, there's a specific lime juice for cocktails?
Yes.
It says lightly crushed. She's over there like making a smoothie.
Hey, do you want the drink or not?
Did you, what? Did you put sugar in it?
Yes.
Oh, you already did? I missed that part. Okay. Let's go back over here.
Get back to work.
Okay, what's next? This is what we're trying to make. We lost track. There's only 4 steps.
This is supposed to make
2 drinks.
2 drinks. So let's add some.
Did you already add everything? You're supposed to add ice, Mama.
I know.
Well, these are.
We'll put some ice in it and then shake it all. Oh, that's what we should do. Then it can be like a frozen, right?
Yes.
Just make it our own version. Okay.
I'm gonna add.
Just ignore this big bean thing over here. Yes, we're being environmental friendly. I love that. Cheers. Let's try it. You try it first. Is it good? Okay. Oh, let's try it. This thing that my mom made. Okay. I can taste them. What is it? You like it? Fancy. Yes, this will get us not drunk. What is it called?
We don't know.
Drink responsibly.
Watermelon.
We're at home.
Free.
Oh, this is called,
Alright.
Doesn't look like that one, but
no, because we added ice and made it a smoothie.
yeah.
This is a delicious smoothie for us to have. Right? Okay.